Hi, it's Rob here from HPF to talk about one of our most successful packages, the Thunder Pack. This is the 10th anniversary of this package. We've literally done hundreds of these. It's such a proven package that's always provided great results. This VE that we've just finished the Thunder Pack on is actually an ex-Interceptor police car, which is pretty cool. Very clean car. It actually came to us originally for a HPF Stage 3 package, which incorporated an OTR cold air intake and also a 3-inch full exhaust system. So 4-in-1 headers, 3-inch high flow cats and 3-inch catback exhaust. So the customer was really happy with the Stage 3 pack but wanted a little bit more power. So the Thunder Pack incorporates CNC ported heads from Higgins race heads and a specially selected camshaft that actually works really well in all LS applications, L77, L98, LS2, LS3. It's a really good camshaft, not too big, not too small, just works really well and very drivable. It's something that you can run on the standard converter, no problems, no push at idle, anything like that, and obviously works really well in a manual car. Along with the CNC ported heads and camshaft, we do fit a number of other parts as part of this package, including head gaskets, head bolts, and something that we've just started to fit as a standard replacement is the timing chain set. We used to just do a sprocket, but now actually doing the timing chain set as well. Obviously we're seeing these cars that have a few more Ks on them and it's a requirement. Once all the work's completed, as always, we put it on the dyno and custom tune it to suit your vehicle, getting the most out of the package. So you're probably wondering how much power it made. Well, it actually made another 50 kilowatts of the wheels on top of the Stage 3 package. So that's an impressive result, which translates to around a 30% increase in power and torque. So if you're after that tough, lumpy idle with great performance, feel free to click the link below, check out our website, have a look at our Holden packages, or give the guys in the office a call.